Today I'm going to show you how to connect the radar antenna. This is open area to the DigiNav or the KM, the ONWA project. So we take the cable and for the open area antenna, it comes with a power supply and a power cable. And this is the antenna cable. The antenna cable is including two wires. One is the Ethernet wire. One is for the power connection. I'm going to show you how to connect the radar antenna to the power supply and the PC or ONWA product. Now I connect this power wire to the power supply, and then I connect this Ethernet cable to the PC Ethernet port. And connect the power cable to the power supply. And connect the power to 12 volt or 24 volt. Now this is 12 volt. Okay, the power is connected. And then you can switch on the power supply. Sometimes when you connect radar antenna to the DigiNav, the PC, and you will find that the IP is not correct. So you have to set the IP of your Ethernet card. Okay, close this first, and then from the setting, you have to rotate the network and the internet, and then change the adapter option. So you find the Ethernet card here, and then right click, and then property. Okay, you choose the TCP IPv4, and then property. So you change the IP 223.168.1, and then 128.255.255.255.0, and then the default gateway is 223.168.1 and 1, and then you click OK, close all, and now you run the DigiNav again. Confirm. Okay, the IP logo is disappeared. That means the IP is correct, and then you can switch on the radar and adjust the STC, adjust the gain, change the range,